Hey, this is Ben All with Bellomax Realty Group, Keller Williams, and we are in Silver Lake in Keller today. Gorgeous neighborhood. I don't know if you're familiar with it at all, but it is absolutely just kind of a hidden gem. It's right off of South Pador Road, and on the north side of the neighborhood, we have got part of the Bear Creek Parkway and the walking trails for Keller that kind of define the northern edge of the neighborhood. And then it's a gated little community. So we've got a canal, we've got a lake with catch and release in it, fountains, absolutely beautiful little neighborhood, 78 homes only. All of them are custom built by either Brian Adams or Gary Pano, most built between 2007, 2008, and 2014. So the home that we're at today is 704 East Hill Street. Absolutely gorgeous Gary Pano home, custom built, has tons and tons of features. So as you look through the photos and look at this video, you're gonna see all of the extras that go into these homes. I'm not kidding when I say these are $1 million finish outs in homes that are priced in the sixes. So absolutely amazing property. Let's go inside and take a look. So when you enter these homes, I really want you to pay attention to all of the detail that has gone into them. The concept here is this is a lock and leave community. This is a villa style home community. So all of these properties have got very small yards. They've got very manageable yards. And one of the great things is the HOA covers all of the yard maintenance. Now they don't do your flower beds, but they do all of the landscape otherwise. So cutting the grass, edging, cleaning up the leaves, the whole deal, fertilizing, which is an absolutely awesome asset for you. The other thing that's amazing in this neighborhood is it's just a close-knit community. Like I said, only 78 homes, everybody knows each other, everybody takes care of each other. So when we come inside this one, this is a Gary Pano custom home. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, almost 2,100 square feet. So as a single story, it's one of the largest ones in the neighborhood. And it has got just amazing finish. You've got hand-scraped hardwood floors throughout the entire home, except for one bedroom that has carpet, and then you've got tile in the wet areas. Look at the kitchen, look at the ceilings, look at the attention to detail. We've got 4-inch baseboards. We've got extensive crown molding throughout. We have got solid core doors. We've got granite, we've got marble. We've just got all of the high-end finishes that you would expect to see in a multi-million-dollar home everywhere. In the living area, we've got a coffered ceiling with beadboard detail. In each of the bedrooms, there's something different and unique. There are built-ins throughout, and then this home actually has 2 patio areas. One is a little zen garden off to the side of the dining area, and then the other is off of the living room area, and it is a private side yard. You've got a huge patio, and you've got everything you need for plants, doing your own little garden, just enjoying the area. So like I said, this is 704 East Hill Street. We're in Silver Lake in the heart of Keller. We are easy walking distance to shopping, restaurants, walking trails, Keller Point, town center for Keller. So come take a look. You'll be absolutely impressed with this home. We'd love to sell it to you. If you have questions, I'm Ben All, Bellomax Realty Group, 817-992-1886.